Well, as you can see, Swatara Park Road is pretty much closed. Township just can't keep up with it. Swatara Township is just overwhelmed. They just simply cannot get crews out. That's looking north to the very end of it. That's where I was just now measuring. Here is home sweet home. Poor landlord's wife, she's trying to shovel it out. Okay. And that's what's supposed to be Swatara Park Road. Well, it's underneath there somewhere. Taking a look at the Swatara Creek as it flows by us here. We've actually got some ice blows out on there. Let's zoom in a little bit. I hope you can see that. Let's see who's that. Oh, that looks like Londonderry Township trying to keep up on it. Not having much luck. Okay, well, that's the big snowbank this past weekend storm. Got caught up there. Well, we're piling on top of that. So mind you, that's 16 inches of snow I just told you about. Well, throw on top of that the 17 inches we got last weekend. Here's a little more of Swatara Creek. Don't see this too terribly often. There we are. Yes, we got a nice little snowdrift here. There it is. There's the snowdrift. Okay, I'll just shut up now and let the pictures do the talking.